Video number 3 in the series of measures of cost. At this point, you should have watched the first 2 videos in this section for section 5-3, the first one being fixed cost and the second one being variable cost. And so now we are going to take a look at total cost. All right, measures of cost. So 4 measures of cost that we're dealing with here in this particular section. And you'll recall this production schedule. You're well familiar with it at this point. We've seen this in up to 5 videos now. And from section 5-2, where we learn the different stages of production based on marginal product and how marginal product changes through those stages. And so, as we have stated previously, our goal for these videos is to learn where to produce in stage 2. And we do that through an analysis of the costs and of the revenue. But right now we're going to take a look at total cost. So there's our analysis of costs and revenues. And we're focusing on this section of our table. And we've covered fixed and variable costs, and that brings us to total costs. All right, so quite simply, total costs are the sum of total fixed costs and total variable costs. And let's see if that arithmetic makes sense here. So 50 plus 0 equals a total cost of $50. Now, the variable cost here is 0 because we have no workers. And the only variable cost we are going to deal with in this particular schedule or table is the cost of labor. So I believe we covered that in that previous video. So we hire 1 worker, and that's at a cost of $90. And so here we are at 6 workers in stage 2, our $50 of fixed cost plus 6 workers at $90 per worker gives us a total variable cost of $540. 50 plus 540 equals our total cost of $590. There's a summary of it right up there. And another example down there in stage 3, just to make sure that our arithmetic is making sense. So make sure you look at those numbers, practice that. And so to summarize, total costs are the sum of fixed costs plus variable costs. Now, the last thing is real important to notice here is that total costs increase by the amount of increase in variable costs. We'll repeat that one more time. It's important. The total costs increase by the increase in variable cost as each worker is hired. And that becomes important because this increase in variable cost, or this marginal increase, is required when it comes time to calculate the marginal cost, which we will do in the next exciting Chapter 5-3 video here in Roommate. So thanks again for watching. Always enjoy our meetings together.